Ano dito?
Wala nang signal yung cellphone mo.
Lamig.
The wind is a cut fox. It's only fox.
It's only fogs.
So
Only.
many fogs.
Daddy, why say that?
Ibang bansa na tayo.
Hi, Daddy. Is that your birthday?
Yesterday. Is tama ba?
No, it's Daddy's birthday, Mommy. No, Saturday. This is Daddy's birthday.
Ito yan lang naman ang pinakamataas sa ahon dyan.
Mommy, look at this. Look at my motorcycle, Mommy. Monster trucker. Go up and
Tinanis mo na.
Namatay. Ano po ulit? Nawala ang signal.
yeah. Police. Huh? It's an ambulance, Mommy. Look, there's a truck, Mommy. Let's go, Mommy.
What?
Bigay mo kay
Come
Chong
on,
akin.
man.
Pero
You're
wag ka,
not
kasi sa mga
scared,
pag-live.
Mommy.
Wala ang signal ay.
Look, let's go, Mommy.
Nasa
Let's go
likod ka
that
mag-live.
one.
Yeah.
Diyan ako.
Daddy, you missed my
Hey, kasama sa
$5,000 home.
No, that's not our home.
What, Mommy?
Yeah, if we're
Hindi
getting
mapasambang ko natin.
rich, let's buy $1,000 home. $1,000 home.
Look at the fog.
Oh, wow.
It's very foggy.
Yeah.
Is that cat
Grabe ka
that...
rin ang...
Mommy, is that cat that fog, Mommy?
Hindi pala yung nakalive.
Hindi ba nagano?
Hindi.
Pinindot ko, pindutin mo.
Pag galaw ako.
Bakit? Paano?
Ganun ako ng ganun. Hindi pa nakalive yan. Pindot ko na.
Pinindot mo na?
Lakas.
Hindi pa nakalive.
Hindi pinindot yun eh. Tapos
Eh, sa'yo
nag-loading
naka-live
na.
bet?
Hindi, wala din signal.
Ganun ako.
Ang Tagaytay siguro mula sa atin mga 20 minutes na to 25 minutes na. Pinakamatagal na yan. Maganda kasi ang pwesto natin. Pa Maynila, pumunta tayo ng Manila.
Malapit.
Mga 30 to 1 hours na.
Oh no, see?
Ay, alam niya.
Lucena.
Ice cream.
Lucena. Ganun din.
Ice cream.
Pero dati, naalala ko noon, nung sa Santo Tomas pa
Daddy,
tayo.
we're not going
Tapos nung sinabi mo na,
that way.
hindi pa tayo sa Santor.
We're going home.
Tapos di ka pumunta tayo doon nakamotor.
Ah,
Sabi mo ko, parang layo na dito. Sabi ko gano'n.
Let's go on the vacation, Mommy.
Let's go on vacation?
Yeah, I want to go on the beach. And I want to go on that bubble. I want bubble gum. Bubble gum. Mommy,
Yes.
what's that, Mommy? Oh my God, is that a tree, Mommy? Is that a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Faster. Oh yeah, faster.
We're here. Sabihin mo, Jet. I say, Jet. Hello guys, we're here in Tagaytay.
Oh guys, we're going to Tagay. Oh guys, we're going to Tagay.
Ayun, we're here now. It's Tagaytay na. We're here in Tagaytay.
Look at that, it's a Tagay. What's that? Is that a Tagay?
Tagaytay.
Ka-tang-tang.
Tagaytay.
Tang-tang-tang.
Yan ang picnic grove. Yan.
Let's go picnic.
Let's go picnic.
Mommy, we're going to picnic.
No, picnic.
Mommy,
Yes.
I want to go into 7-Eleven.
Hmm?
Daddy, I want to go into 7-Eleven.
Oh, it's 11:07.
What?
11:07.
I want 11-7. Daddy, I want to go into 11.
Ba't kaya sinabi na 7-Eleven yun?
Ayan.
7.
7-Eleven.
Hindi naman siya 7 na 11.
24 hours yun, di ba? Dapat 24/7.
Oo nga, 24/11.
We're going home. Mommy, we're going home. Mommy, we're going home, Mommy?
No, we're going to Tita's house.
Tita's house.
Yes.
I wanna go. It's not very, very dark there now.
What?
The sun's not going down. Where's the sun?
Where's the sun?
Nana.
Wala na.
Nana sun.
Wala na sun. Ang cute mo dito magtagalog.
I'm not cute.
Ay, you're not cute.
I'm strong.
Okay. You're strong.
Yeah. I drink milk.
I drink milk.
Now they're eating vegetables.
Bitch.
Hey, are you sure? Eat vegetables.
I'm not a baby. I am Digit.
You're not a baby? You're a big boy na.
Yeah, I am a big boy.
Chicharia jet.
But junk food, you eat junk food.
No,
Are you sure?
no older. I want to drink milk,
And then,
eat vegetables.
drink soda.
No,
Si
Ano
Pio.
ba nakakatapos?
I don't want soda. Milk
Diba,
and
Nes?
Olivares yata. Olivares naman no?
bananas.
Ano to?
Olivares.
Huh?
Oliveers.
Olivares ba?
Where
Sungay Est. Kay Kulot Road, Sungay Est, Tagaytay
Kay kulot.
City.
Kay kulot.
Here na.